Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can put one of your earbuds to the charging case, or remove only one from the case and then close the case, use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and as you can see, we still have connection, but I use only one earphone. But you cannot connect your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to connect both your earbuds with one device, or if you enable dual connection, you can connect two devices to your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!